Has this ever happened to you? You're just trying to screw something in, you've got a small screw here, slotted screwdriver, and you just can't screw it into your item because it keeps dropping? Well, there's a solution for that. Welcome to Tool Talk Tuesday. If you're new here, I'm Sarah from Birds of a Feather. The solution to the problem is the Magnetizer Demagnetizer. We're just going to insert the screwdriver in here. And now, when we insert our screw here, it won't fall because it's magnetized. Now on to real-life use. Watch this segment of how we use this tool, and it really came in handy. So in order to get down into the case here, I've got a really long extension on my screwdriver. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to magnetize the end so that when I undo these screws, I can just lift it out without losing them. So let's just remove this bit.
So all you do is you slide it in and out of there 5 or 6 times, as close to the smallest one you can get.
Okay.
All the way in and out. Not the whole screwdriver.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
So now when I go in and undo one of these screws, hopefully what happens is I'll be able to lift it right out. And there we go. It's on the end of the tip, and I can remove it easily, and it doesn't get lost or fall down. You're not going to lose your screws. Alternately, if you have a screwdriver that's already magnetized and it just tends to pick up everything in sight, you can use the Demagnetizer. And that will remove the magnetization, and then you're not going to have that problem. It's not going to stick. You're not going to be picking anything up. So this is a really handy tool to have. It's a must-have in our toolbox. I'm going to link to the description below so that you can pick one up too. They're great little gadgets to have, and they're under $10, so give it a try. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell to get notifications of our upcoming projects. Join us every Tuesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Tool Talk Tuesday. Signing off for now, keep your friends close and your tools even closer.